Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to Slick's Car Care. This week is going to be a bit of a different one because I'm actually not going to speak too much for this video. I'm going to talk at the start, talk at the end and nothing in between, which I know for me is a rarity because you cannot shut me up normally. But anyway, this week we've got a Mercedes CLA in for the Ceramic Pro Bronze package. So that's a single stage paint enhancement and one layer of Ceramic Pro top coat. This is a fairly low mileage 2019 car in white. So we should be able to get some pretty good results on it. Before we get on with it, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider hitting that subscribe button and supporting the channel. Also, I apologise for the lack of t-shirt. It's like 26, 27 degrees out here. It's absolutely boiling, so yeah, sorry about that one.
I've seen you on YouTube cleaning this guy's car off YouTube called Matt Armstrong. You cleaned his Golf really good. I'm just wondering whether you could clean this up. What do you reckon? Yeah, I think you could do that for me.
So it turns out that I forgot to film an outro for this video before the car left. So anyway, here it is. Thank you very much for watching yet again. Next week we have a very, very special video for you. Another one with Matt Armstrong. This time we are cleaning up his stolen M140i, which has damage on the interior from a fire extinguisher being let off. So that's going to be a nice, satisfying before and after, most definitely. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel to be notified when that video goes up and to make sure that you see it. But yeah, anyway, we shall catch you next week. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, all of that, and we shall see you then.